Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change the position of apps on Samsung. Now this is the app screen and I want to change the position of my app. So let's say I want to bring my gallery closer, or I want to, yes, my gallery closer, I want to change something. How do I do it? The first thing you do is that you tap on that thing you want to change, not so hard, and then you move it to the new position you want. You see, when you move it correctly, the other wants to move away. Now you can also move it to the next page. If I hold it down and move towards the end of it, you can move it to the next page. Now let's say I want to move this stuff away from here, these apps, I can do the same thing. You can even create folders by moving the things that similar into the same space. For example, if I move it like this, it will create a folder. I can add a folder name for it. For example, I can call it dictionary, and I can save it. Once I'm done, I tap on done down here. Done. So right now, searching for more apps to add, so tap on done, and that's it. So to change the folder name, tap on folder name up here. The first time what I did was to search for other apps, dictionary apps to add. So I can now formally name it by here. And that's it. And tap away, you can add more if I want. So you can sort it, move apps, depends on you. You can decide to create social app, or depends on you. So that is how to move app or change the position of app icons on Samsung.